It's been an amazing ride over 25 years, going from a company where literally there were a dozen people in the office to now well over 200. And so one of the things that has driven us to move to our new headquarters was simply we needed more space for people. The other thing is we needed a different kind of test kitchen. In addition to getting more space, we wanted differentiated space. Space that was specifically designed to set up lights and cameras and know that we'd be able to use that space all day to create amazing television and video content.
This thing was a huge empty warehouse 10 months ago or so, and now it is the most amazing, magnificent test kitchen, office, studio that I think I've ever seen.
So it's really exciting to be here in this new space. We've gone from 2,500 square feet to what?
1 million square feet.
It feels like it's 15,000 square feet of kitchen space. This is just one of those sets, the America's Test Kitchen TV set.
We are in the general test kitchen, which is basically the hub for all recipe development. The test cooks are really busy and enjoying the new space. They have a lot more workstations, a lot more ovens, they have a lot more refrigeration, most importantly, more space.
I can't believe I'm in a 19th century farmhouse. It is a real set where we will be making television for Cook's Country.
We are in our brand new studio and we are so thrilled. We have 5 times the amount of space. We have enough room for our equipment, enough room to light things properly, have multiple shoots, and have all of our props available for us.
We are in the new tasting and testing lab, and it's giant and we love it. There's so much room for us to do all our experiments and have all our taste tests. It's amazing.
Holy moly. I really can't wait to cook here.
I'm so excited.
It's just insane. It doesn't actually feel real.
Absolutely amazing.
We hit the jackpot, girl.
Awesome. Really cool.
This is nice.